Welcome to my channel Dermawise. This channel is to address day-to-day concern about your skin and hair problems. So kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification whenever I upload new videos. Let us look into today's video. Hello. Today I am going to tell you very interesting and cosmetic problem known as dark circles. These are basically dark discoloration around the eyes, commonly seen in middle and elderly individuals. There are so many reasons for this. That is, we call it as multifactorial. And we divided into three types. One is pigmented type, second is vascular type, and third one is structural type. In pigmentary type, there is an increase in the pigmentation. That is why I call it as pigmentary type of dark circles. There are many reasons. One is hereditary. That is due to genetic factors causing pigmentation around the eyes, and usually starts appearing during middle age, and the intensity little bit increases as the age advances. The second reason is atopic eczema. Here, due to constant rubbing of the eyes, there is increased pigmentation as well as thickening of the skin. That is why it is even seen in children's as well as adolescents. Here, there is an even double fold below the eyelids. The other cause is allergic contact eczema. This is due to cosmetic creams applied around the eyes, which causes allergy and pigmentation. This is about pigmented type of dark circle. Next type is vascular. Here what happens, the blood vessels are placed superficially with the little bit loss of volume. That is why they appear very prominent, causing little bit bluish discoloration. So this is vascular type of dark circle. Third type is structural type. Here there is a complete loss of soft tissue or fat below the lower eyelid. So there is a hanging effect causing the dark circles. So these are the three types of dark circles. So we can differentiate these three types by just pulling the lower eyelid. Here what happens, if it is a pigmentary type of dark circle, there is no change in the color, whereas if it is vascular type, it becomes more prominent, whereas in structural type, it disappears. That is how we can differentiate three types of dark circle. If necessary, we do one type of examination also, that is known as dermoscopic examination. And we should not be confused with one type of lines known as PDL, pigmentary demarcation lines. Those are normal lines found in some individuals. Coming to the treatment, there are different modalities of treatment. The first line of treatment is using a lightening cream. Here we use different types of lightening creams containing arbutin, kojic acid, then even hydroquinone or retinol, even vitamin C containing serum also we use to lighten the dark circles. Along with this, we use even sunscreening morning. But if it is secondary to eczema, we use anti-eczema creams, not the lightening creams. By using anti-eczema cream, the eczema improves and dark circle look better. So this is one way of treatment. Second modality of treatment is chemical peeling. Here we use a different types of chemicals to cause superficial peeling of the skin so that skin look better and the pigmentation improves. One session is not enough. We have to keep doing regularly. So multiple sessions are required. Third type of treatment is PRP. Few studies show the improvement of dark circle by using a PRP, that is platelet rich plasma. That we take a blood, separate the plasma containing platelet and we inject so that dark circle improves. Next modality of treatment is by using fillers. Here we use a different dermal fillers, mainly hyaluronic acid containing fillers. So this type of treatment is mainly useful in structural type of dark circles. And sometimes even we do fat grafting, micro and nano fat grafting. This is also useful in structural type of dark circle. So last type of treatment is laser treatment. Here we use different lasers to improve the dark circle. We use eye shield to cover the eyes, then we do laser treatment. So even here multiple sessions are required. So these are the different modalities of treatment. Whatever type of treatment you take, the dark circle improve, they won't vanish completely. So if you have any dark circle, you can consult nearby dermatologist to find out what type of dark circle you have and what type of treatment suits you. Thank you.